Welcome to English Beginner Zone. Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to look at a conversation about visiting a small farm. In this video, you will follow a clear and simple story about Tony and Diana. Tony will show Diana one full day of work on his small farm in America. You will learn about feeding animals, collecting eggs, working in the garden, fixing things, and ending the day at sunset. Do not worry. I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. So, here is today's question. What does Tony collect from the chicken coop in the morning? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comment section. All right, let's start the video.
Good morning, Diana. It is 5 o'clock.
It is still dark.
Yes. A small farm wakes up before the sun.
I can hear chickens and cows.
That is the sound of morning here. First, I check the weather,
Why do you check the weather first?
because I need to know if I should water the field. I also need to know if I should cover the hay. And sometimes I need to bring the animals inside early.
I understand.
Now listen to this metal bucket.
The sound is loud.
Yes, the animals know breakfast is coming. Come with me to the chicken coop.
There are many chickens here.
When I open the door, they run very fast.
What do you do first?
First, I put food on the ground. Then I check the water.
The water must be clean.
That is right. Then I collect eggs.
These eggs are warm.
Morning eggs are fresh, warm, and clean.
Do you check anything else?
Yes. I check if a chicken is hurt or sick. I also remove wet straw.
The sky is brighter now.
Yes. Now let me show you the cows.
I can smell hay and wet earth.
This is the animal area. On a small farm, people often have cows, goats, or sheep.
What do you do here?
I give the cows hay. I give them grain. I check the water too.
You look at them very carefully.
Yes. I check their eyes, ears, nose, and the way they walk.
Do you know every animal?
Almost everyone. This cow ate less than yesterday. That one may have a baby soon.
You know them very well.
Farm life teaches you that. Now it is about 7:30. Let us go inside for breakfast.
What do you eat?
Fresh eggs, toast, and black coffee.
That sounds simple.
Yes. On a farm, we eat and then work again.
What will you do after breakfast?
I need to fix the north fence. I need to check the tractor. I need to water the tomatoes. I also need to move some hay.
That is a busy day.
It always is. Now, let us go to the vegetable garden.
I see tomatoes, corn, zucchini, green beans, lettuce, and cucumbers.
First, I check the soil.
How do you know if the plants need water?
I touch the soil. If it is still wet under the top, I do not water it.
That is useful.
Then I pull weeds,
Why do you remove weeds?
because weeds take water and food from the plants. After that, I look under the leaves.
What are you looking for?
I look for insects or plant disease.
And these tomatoes look ready.
Yes, we can pick tomatoes, cucumbers, and young green beans now.
It feels peaceful here.
Yes, but there is always more work.
What do you do before lunch?
I repair things around the farm.
Like what?
Sometimes a fence post leans, Sometimes a wire gets loose. Sometimes a door moves badly. Sometimes a water pipe leaks.
Do you also check machines?
Of course. I check the mower, the small tractor, the hay cart, and the water pump.
So you do many different jobs.
Yes. On a small farm, you learn many things.
Is it lunchtime now?
Yes. Lunch is short.
What do we have?
A sandwich, fruit, iced tea, and cold water.
Can you relax now?
Only a little. My eyes still watch the farm.
What happens in the afternoon?
Afternoon is the hardest part of the day.
What do you do in summer?
I water the field, I cut grass, I gather hay.
Is it hard work?
Yes. My back hurts. My hands get dirty. My shirt gets wet with sweat.
But you are smiling.
Because this is real work.
What time is it now?
It is 4:30. Time to feed the animals again.
They are already waiting.
Yes. But feeding is not the last job.
What is the last job?
I count everything. I count the chickens. I check if the little calf is back. I make sure the gate is closed. I check the water again.
Why is counting important?
Because losing one animal is a big problem on a small farm.
The sun is going down now.
This is my favorite time of day.
The light is beautiful.
Look there. The chickens are going back to the coop. The cows are resting. The wind is moving across the field.
It feels very peaceful.
Yes, after a long day, this moment feels special.
Is the day finished now?
Almost.
What do you still need to do?
I lock the coop. I turn off the water. I put away the tools. I check tomorrow's weather.
Then you can finally rest.
Yes, but only until tomorrow morning.
Today I learned something important.
What did you learn?
A small farm works because every hour has a job.
That is exactly right.
Thank you for showing me your farm, Tony.
You are welcome, Diana. Tomorrow starts again before sunrise.
Let's check today's question again. What does Tony check first in the morning before feeding the animals? Did you find the answer? If you did, please write your answer in the comment section. By practicing English like this, you can improve your speaking and listening skills more naturally. On this channel, I share simple English stories with slow and clear pronunciation for daily life. I will keep uploading more videos like this. So if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And do not forget to like the video and leave a comment. Alright, that is all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.